of people don't want to talk out loud. Even Nikhil Kamath, for that matter, had voiced it. A lot of people did
Yeah.
get a little uncomfortable, but what about ghostwriting and AI?
Yeah.
The kind of LinkedIn post that sounds similar.
Oh God.
What is your take on that?
I started this chat wise, and again, I don't want to put down. We're in an age of AI, so I don't want to put down people who use AI as a tool. Um, but honestly, you can see through it.
Yes, it all
Yeah.
feels the same.
It all feels the same. You can see through it as a trend writer. You can see through the structure of the content. You can see through the language. I think AI can be a great partner in ideation, but finally the thinking and content has to come through your heart. When I wrote Limitless, there was a lot of temptation to ghostwrite it. Didn't want to do that because those are personal stories. Yeah, they have to be told personally. And in my case, because I've written books in the past, people also know my voice. They see me on TV, they've seen enough public speeches of mine. Um, it's so evident that when I walk into a hotel lobby sometimes, people will not see me, but they'll hear the voice and say, "Oh, I heard your voice, Anayu Radhika." So I think my voice is known, and I rather let my voice be honest. So the thoughts, what distinguishes authentic content is it comes from something that's happened to you. And Javed Akhtar once said this. He said, AI can't tell you कि उसकी माँ गुजर गई थी या उसके साथ में बचपन का ट्रॉमा हो गया था. वो जो
फीलिंग ही नहीं
शायरी
आएगी।
में फीलिंग आती है वो AI ने कभी एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया है, तो वो
Correct.
कैसे देगा आपको वो फीलिंग. सो I think as a partner to ideate, it's absolutely fine, but finally the voice has to be yours, and you can tell. Honestly, the posts are annoying.
Quite a
Suddenly
bit.
everyone's English has got this perfect US structured English, and it's got this, sentence and rhythm and all of that. So
And the irony is when you meet them in person, it's a whole different
use it as a
story.
tool, dude. But I mean, and I think people can tell. So there is a genre called annoying LinkedIn content.